In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain in Meta Business Manager. Verifying your domain is a crucial step for managing your online presence effectively, as it allows you to maintain control over your domain settings and ensures that any integrations with Meta platforms run smoothly. So, let's dive right in and walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your Meta Business Manager account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Business Settings section. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your business account, including domains. Within Business Settings, locate and click on the tab labeled Domains. This is where you'll be able to add your domain and choose how you wish to verify it. Now, let's go ahead and add your domain. Here, you'll be prompted to input your domain name. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any hiccups later on. Once entered, you'll then be presented with 3 options for verification. Let's explore each one briefly so you can decide which suits you best. The first method is by adding a meta tag to your website's HTML. You'll receive a specific meta tag code from Meta that you'll need to insert into the head section of your website's HTML. This method is favored by those who are comfortable editing HTML and have easy access to the website's code. Alternatively, you can upload an HTML file to your root directory. With this method, you'll receive an HTML file from Meta, which you then upload directly to your website's root directory via your hosting service. This method is simple if you're familiar with accessing and managing files on your web server. Finally, there's the option to update the DNS-TXT record with your domain registrar. Many people find this to be the simplest and most straightforward method. With this approach, Meta provides you with a TXT value specifically for your domain. You will then take this piece of information and add it as a new DNS record with your registrar. To proceed with the DNS-TXT record method, copy the provided TXT value from Meta. Next, log into your account with your domain registrar, which is usually the company through which you purchased your domain. Navigate to your DNS settings, and there you'll find an option to add a new record. Select the TXT record type, paste the value you copied from Meta into the appropriate field, and save your changes. Keep in mind, DNS changes can sometimes take a little while to propagate, so don't worry if the verification isn't instant. And that's it. Once your DNS changes have been recognized, you'll receive confirmation from Meta that your domain has been successfully verified. By completing this verification process, you ensure you're maximizing the control and security of your business's online assets. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.